In the last session we discussed exercise 2.2 up to 6 question. Now see the 7th question. Here they have given some statements. You need to check whether the statements are true or false. In that the first question they have given 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 and 6. These two sets are given and they said that these two sets are disjoint sets. And you have to state whether the statement is true or false. That means you want to know what is meant by the disjoint sets. What is meant by disjoint sets? If the set does not have any common elements, then we can say that those sets are disjoint sets. Here you can observe that you need to check whether there are any common elements present in these two sets. Here you can observe that 3 is the common element that is present in these two sets. So we can say that these sets are not disjoint. But they have given here these sets are disjoint. So we can say that the statement is false. So you can write here this statement is false since 3 is the common element in both A and B sets. So we can say that A and B sets are not disjoint sets. Now see the second question. In that what they have given the alls which is A, E, I, O, U, and the second set it is given as A, B, C, D. And they said that are disjoint sets. Again, you need to check what is the common element that is present in both these sets. If any common element present in these two sets, we can say that these sets are not disjoint. That means there should not be any common element that can present in these two sets. Now see here, you can observe that A is the common element that is present in both of these sets. So we can say that these two sets are not disjoint. But in the question they have given, they are disjoint sets. So again, this statement is false. Here, you write it here. What you need to write, the statement is false since A is the common element that is present in both of these sets. Now, you can do the same thing. 3 and 4 are given in the 7th question. You can do it as an homework. Now, we are going to discuss about the equal sets. What is meant by equal sets? When you do say two sets are equal. Suppose let us consider two sets here. A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and similarly consider the set B which is E, I, O, U, A. Let us consider these two sets. You need to check whether these two sets are equal sets or not. What is meant by the equal set? The name itself says the two sets should have contained the equal elements. If the sets contain the equal elements, we can say that those two sets are equal sets. Here you can observe that in the set A, you have the elements A, E, I, O, U. The same elements that they are present in the set B, which is E, I, O, U, A. You can observe that the same elements that are present in both A and B. So we can say that A and B are equal sets. Similarly, when do we say A and B are equal sets? Here one condition is there here. If A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then we can say that A is equal to B. Here, what this statement says here is what you know, this is a symbol for subset. You know what is meant by the subset. Subset is nothing but every element of A should present in element of B. That means if you take any element in A, that should exist in the set B and A is equal to B. Here you can observe that every element of A present in the set B. So we can say that A is subset of B. Similarly, every element of B is present in the set A. And so we can say that B is subset of A. From these two conditions, A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then we can say that A is equal to B. This is about the equal sets. Let us consider one more example here. Consider the set A is equal to set of natural numbers up to 5. Consider the set B is equal to Here consider 2, 3, 5, 1 and 4. If you have given these two sets, you want to check whether these two sets are equal or not. Just you need to check whether these two sets contains the equal elements or not. Here you can observe that this set contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, the set B contains the equal elements which is 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 4. So, since these two sets contain the equal elements, we can say that these two sets are equal sets. Or you can state here A is subset of B because every element of A is present in the set B. So, we can say that A is subset of B. Right? Similarly, here if you take the set B, every element of B is present in the set A. So, we can say that B is subset of A. From these two conditions, what we can say? A is equal to B. From this, you can say that A and B are equal sets. This is about the equality of the sets. Now, based on this, we are going to solve the next exercise. 2.3. See the first question. First question. Which of the following sets are equal? Here they have given three sets. You need to check which sets are equal between these three sets. Here in that the first set they have given as x such that x is a letter in the word follow. This is the set they have given here, and the set B, it is given as x such that x is a letter in the word flow. Similarly, the set C, it is given as x such that x is a letter in the word. What is that one given here? Wolf. Now, you need to check these sets are equal or not. Here, they have given the set in the form of the set builder form. You need to write the set builder form in the roster form. Roster form is nothing but you need to write the elements that are present in the set. Now, so, writing the given sets in the roster form. After writing the sets in the roster form, what is the set A? What the set is? They said here x such that x is a letter in the word follow. You need to write the elements that are present in this word. So, before writing this one, you know that the elements in the set cannot be repeated. That means you need to write only letter only once. So here write the first one which is F, and after that O, and after that what is there? L. You need to write only once. So write it here L. And similarly we have written O already. So don't write it. What is the next letter which is W? This is we have written in the roster form. Now write the set B. What is the set B given here? Which is flow. Again write it F. What is the next one? L, O, W. Now write the set C. What the set C contain? Actually letter in the word wolf. So here W and the next letter O, next letter L, next letter F. So we have written these three letters in the form of these three words in the form of the set builder form by writing each element only once. Now you need to check which sets are equal among this. Now see the first set. In the first set it contains the elements F, O, L, W. Similarly in the second set it contains the elements F, O, L, W. Similarly it contains the set F, O, L, W. You can observe that these three sets contains the same elements here. What are those elements which is F, O, L, W? So since write it here, so we can say that these three sets are equal. Write it here since what we can say here, A is equal to B. Similarly here, since B is subset of C and C is subset of B, you can say it here, or we can say it here, B is equal to C. Similarly, since A is equal to B and A is equal to B is equal to C, you can say it here, A is equal to B is equal to C. So, what are equal sets? A, B, C are the equal sets. What they have given here in the question, they have given 3 sets. You need to check whether these sets are equal or not. So, after writing this done in the roster form, we got these sets, and you know that all these 3 sets contain the equal elements. So, we can say that these sets are equal sets. Here you can write like this, or otherwise you can write, since the sets A, B and C contains the equal elements, you can say that these 3 sets are the equal sets. Now, see the second question in this. Here, what's the second question given here? Consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with equal to or not equal to. Here, they have given some statements and you need to fill the blank with equal to symbol or not equal to symbol. In that, the first one they have given the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And the set B they have given as the first 3 natural numbers. And the set C is given as A, B, C, D. And the set D, it is given as D, C, A, B. And after that the set E, it is given as A, E, I, O, U. And the set F, which is the set of alls in English alphabet. These are the sets they have given and they asked to fill these blanks. A, and in the second one they have given, and the third one. Okay, similarly they have given here the 7 blanks. I will do the first 3 and the remaining you can do it in the same way. And what are the sets they have given this set? They have given these 6 sets and you need to fill these blanks with the equal to sign or not equal to sign. That means you need to check if these 2 sets are equal, you have to keep here equal to sign. If these 2 sets are not equal, you have to keep it here not equal to sign. So here, before that, you need to write all these sets in the roster form. So here, already the set A, it is in the roster form. So what is the set A they have given, which is 1, 2, 3. And the set B, it is given in the set B that form. You need to write it in the roster form. So the first 3 natural numbers. What are the first 3 natural numbers? You know that the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. So the set B is 1, 2, 3. And similarly, what is the set C given here? A, B, C, D. And the set D is also given in the roster form, which is B, C, A, B. And the set A is given as A, E, I, O, U. And the set F, which is given in the set B form. What is it given? The set of vowels in the English alphabet. You know that the vowels is which is nothing but A, E, I, O, U. These are the sets they have given and you need to check whether the given sets are equal or not. Here what is the set A, which is 1, 2, 3, and what is the set B, which is 1, 2, 3. And you know that these 2 sets are contains the equal elements. You can say that these 2 sets are equal, right? Similarly here A and B. What is the A set contain, which is 1, 2, 3, and what is the set E contain, which is A, E, I, O, U. You can observe that no elements in these 2 sets are equal. So we can say that A is not equal to E. Similarly, C and D. And what is the set C contains, which is A, B, C, D. And what is the set D contains, which is D, C, A and B. Here you can observe that here they contain the equal elements. Here A is there, A, similarly B, B, C, C and D and D. So we can say that these two sets are equal. Here in that more 4 questions are given, you can do it in the same way. And similarly the third question, here what they have given here, they have given 2 sets and you have to state whether these 2 sets are equal or not. Based on this one, you can do this one as a homework. Now the fourth question, you can solve it now. What is the fourth question given here? What they said here, state the reasons for the following. Here they have given, in that the first question they have given 1, 2, 3 and up to so on 10 is not equal to x such that x belongs to n and 1 less than x less than 10. They said that in the question they already given that these two sets are not equal and you have to write the reason why these two sets are not equal. So here, before writing the reason, you need to write this set in the roster form. After writing this set in the roster form, you can come to know why these two sets are not equal. So here, what is the set? It is given 1, 2, 3 and up to so on 10. And you need to write this set in the roster form. So what it states here, x belongs to n. N is nothing but the natural numbers and they said that and 1 less than x less than 10. What is the meaning of 1 less than x less than 10? That means the x value lies between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10, the x value will lie. But here they have given, they did not given here equality symbol. If they have given equality symbol like this, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, then you can write the elements which is 1 to 10. But here they have given 1 less than x, 1 less than 10. So we have to exclude this 1 and 10. So what will be the set will contain 2, 3, 4 and up to so on 9. Because we should not include this 1 and 10 because here equality symbol is not there. So what this set contains, which is 2, 3, 4 and up to so on 9. Clearly you can observe that these two sets are not equal because these two sets does not contain the same number of elements. You can say that these two sets are not equal. Now in that, see the second question. What the second question says here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the set given and they said that this set is not equal to x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n. Here they said that these two sets are not equal and we have to state the reason why these two sets are not equal. Now this set is already given in the roster form, write it. Now you need to write the elements that are present in this set. And here what they have given, x is equal to 2n plus 1. This is they have given and they said that here x belongs to n. That means x is a natural number. You know that natural numbers will start from 1. So you can take here the x value as 1 and you can take any value here. So if you take here n value as 1, what you get here? 2 into 1 plus 1. So what is the value you are getting here? 3. If you take n value as 2, what you get here? X is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. So what you get? 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5. If you take n value as 3, what you get here? 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, which is 7. And so if you take like this, what is the set we are getting here? 3, 5, 7, and what is the next one? 2 into 4 plus 1, which is 9. So you are getting here this set and so on. It continues. So here you can observe that here these two sets are not equal because these two sets does not contain equal elements. Here 2 is there but here 2 is not there. Here you can observe that. So we can say that these two sets are not equal. Here just you need to write the self-repeated form in the roster form. Now see the next question in this. Third question, which is they have given 5, 15, 30, 45. This is the set they have given, and they said that this set is not equal to x such that x is a multiple of 15. Again you have to state the reason why these two sets are not equal. So what is this first set? 5, 15, 30, 45. You need to write the next set in the roster form. What is the set given here? X is a multiple of 15. What is meant by the multiple? That means you need to write the 15 table. Just what are the multiples of 15? 15 ones are 15, 15 2s 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, right? And so on. These are the multiples of 15. Now you need to check whether they already given these two sets are not equal. You have to state the reason why these two sets are not equal, because here you can observe that here 5 is present, here 5 is not there. When you can say these two sets are equal, if it contains an equal element, then we can say that these two sets are equal. Here you can observe that 15, 30, 45 are present, but here 5 is not. If 5 is present, here 5 is not there in this set. So we can say that these two sets are not equal. In this, one more question is there that you can do it as an homework, and see the last problem in this exercise. Here, list in that 5 questions are given. I will do 2 problems. You can do the remaining problems here. 5th question, list all the subsets of the following sets. Here in that the first question they have given B is equal to PQ. You need to list the elements subsets. That means how many subsets are possible in this one. So here you know that